I'm really interested in image and imagination. Now, all of the work involves image and imagination. I'm imagining that I'm somebody else, that I have a relationship to someone else. I mean, it's all imagination. And molding, flowing, flying, radiating, we're imagining that we're molding clay. There's no clay there. And then 2 minutes later, we're imagining that we're in water. Movement and ease, and just play with that by yourself. Going back and releasing into the front. Now that we've done our exploration as the technique, now how would you find that would apply to your text? This image is in that text. What does it suggest? It's not going to be black and white, but what does it suggest within the individual? Not within me, but what does it suggest within you? Yeah, a sound, any sound you want. I really want to foster this, that there is no A, B, C, D. This is what we do. No. It might be an imaginary center. It might be a gesture. Now just stand. Do you have a line of text available? It might be an imaginary body. It might be none of that. It might be a quality of movement. But that you're free within your own individual creative being to find the avenue for yourself. Everything will be toward application of your specific text. Now, if we can just remember that we're always in process, and our process is the most important thing, and that includes our questions, our doubts, our discoveries, our explorations. How available can we be? How present can we be to our own being, to know what it is to be receptive, so we can allow ourselves to be surprised and go into what we don't know, as opposed to always going to what we do know, or where we feel safe. And we don't have to be safe. What have we got to lose?